So this is the wrap-up for the live market open for July 20th. Turbulence is back, worries are back. Basically, what's going on in markets, uncertainty about Brexit once again. We had some political certainty last week. That's gone. We still don't know what's going on. We had the IMF slashing growth forecast, not only for the UK, but for the whole world. US dollar is stronger on better than expected data. The yuan is weaker. They're taking advantage of the global focus elsewhere and, well, the strengthening of the greenback to devalue the yuan. This is worrying for other countries. Other news, Turkey is back on the back burner, but who knows when it's going to come back after this failed coup attempt and the aggressive clampdown that followed. Donald Trump is now the official nominee of the Republican Party for the presidency of the United States of America. Next week, we have the Democratic Convention. So far, no market impact. More impact should be seen closer to the elections. Other than that, last week we had the Bank of England not cutting interest rates, but they do intend to act probably on August 4th. Elsewhere, retail sales is one of the biggest market movers for the US dollar, helped it move forward. Oil prices are sliding once again. The Reserve Bank of Australia is ready to ease. That's weighing heavily on the Australian dollar, and the Kiwi dollar is suffering once again. Looking here at charts, we are seeing the stronger dollar seen even in the very stable, the frustratingly stable euro, sliding under 110 at the moment, waiting for the ECB's decision on Thursday. 109.60, 109.05 are support lines. Resistance 111.30, 111.90, much stronger, 112.50. Pound dollar gradually grinding its way down. Of course, 130 is support, 128.50 is lower support, 133.50 is high resistance. More data today, but the biggest event is on Friday. Dollar yen continuing its move higher on expectations for helicopter money. 107.65 is the next big level to watch. Support at 105. I suspect that the Bank of Japan could disappoint next week, but currently weaker yen, and the yen does not, for change, taking a pause from those safe haven flows. Dollar CAD moving higher, related to the fall in oil prices, sort of hanging just above the lows in oil. That means dollar CAD is back to the high range between 130 and 138, 130.80. High resistance 131.40, support 129.10. Aussie dollar looking lower on rate cut expectations, 74.76 at the moment. Support 74.40, 73.75. Resistance 75.30, 76. And the Kiwi dollar ending its honeymoon, already looking to fall below 70. 70.50 is some kind of resistance, not that strong anymore. 71.50 is another line of resistance. 69.50 is support. Okay, on the agenda today, it's a light agenda. UK jobs report, a bit old, a bit stale, at 8:30. Should be more or less similar to last month's reports. Eurozone consumer confidence and oil inventories, perhaps the most important event for today. Let's see if the pressure is on for oil prices. Tomorrow, much bigger events. Retail sales already could reflect some Brexit-related moves. And the ECB's rate decision, we had a long preview for that. Basically, no changes expected, but we might get significant hints for a move in September because of Brexit, because of no success on inflation, and because the ECB has less bonds to buy. No changes expected at 11:45, but the Draghi show, the press conference at 12:30 GMT, is a huge event. Also, other figures tomorrow in the US, more second-tier figures. And on Friday, Eurozone PMIs, which should be interesting. But the most important thing is the special PMIs for market. We also had a special preview for that. And these are expected to show that the UK economy, at least in the month of July, at least according to the preliminary figures for both services and manufacturing, that we're back to contraction, that the Brexit shock has a significant impact on business confidence. And for those trading the loonie, we also have retail sales and inflation at 12:30 GMT. Okay. So that's it for the show for today. 3 previews, 1 wrap-up, lots of information to discuss for this week and next week. I'll be here again next Wednesday, same time. Of course, talking about the Fed next week. And that's it. Follow other live events on FX Street. I wish everybody a safe and successful trading day today. And see you next week. So that's it. Thank you and bye-bye.